Hi everyone, it's Wow News Wednesday, and I'm here to give you very important information with the English only movement and the executive order that was issued in March, followed by last month the July memo about how the English only mandate or executive order is to be carried out with some more specific guidelines. Well, now we're in August, and now the guidance for teaching multilingual learners was rescinded. So there's this long-standing guidance based on the Dear Colleague letter from 2015. The reason they rescinded it is because it's not in line with administration policy. The letter was written by the Department of Education's Office of Civil Rights and the Department of Justice. The background to it goes over 4 laws that are landmark cases. So it had been decades where the federal government had said that failing to provide resources for people not proficient in English is discrimination based on the national origin under the Title VI of the Civil Rights Act. So that's one law that this 2015 guidance was from. So in July, Bondi stated that it's not discrimination based on national origin. The memo that was shared said that the federal agencies would prioritize English while explaining when and how multilingual assistance is necessary. And their goal is to provide assimilation over division. So like I said, the Dear Colleague letter of 2015 is based on case law from the Title VI of the Civil Rights Act, the 1974 Supreme Court ruling Lau versus Nichols, mandating English language services in schools, and the 1974 Equal Education Opportunity Act, which required public schools to provide for students who do not speak English, and the 1981 Castaneda versus Picard, which laid out a test for schools to determine if they are properly providing English services to learners. So this is going to affect about 5 million multilingual learners, and the concern is that the schools won't provide equitable services because the federal government won't be requiring them to do so anymore. In January, the administration plans to schedule, issue, and give direction on what this looks like now that they have rescinded this guidance that has been long-standing for years. So like, follow, share, and come back. On my website, the link is in the bio or in the comments. I have an English-only section in my blog, so please go check that out. This is ongoing. I've been following this for a couple months now. Take care.